Welcome. In this video, we are going to configure the system. So, first of all, we need to create the file system tab with this command. fstab -u /md /mdtc file system tab. The U flag is used to define UIDs. So we hit enter, and now we can see the resulting file in md etc file system tab. So here we can see there is no error. Anyway, we could edit this file if we see that something is not right. So we can continue. Now we need to change the root to a new system. So arc-ch root /md. Enter. We mount the root system at /md in previous steps. So we're going to work with the installed system. Here we can see that the prompt changes. So we can continue. Now that we change into the new system, we need some tools to complete the configuration tasks. So we're going to install text editor. You can use the editor you like. I'm going to use B. So pacman -syu B. We proceed with installation. Okay, once this is done, we can proceed. Now we have to set the time zone, creating a symbolic link to our time zone and put it in etc local time. So user share zone info. US central /etc local time. We hit enter. Now we need to generate the etc edge time file. So our clock is to our clock. This command assumes that the hardware clock is set to UTC. Hit enter and we're done. Okay, now we have to set the localization. To do this, we did etc local.gen file and uncomment the needed locales. So b etc local.gen and we uncomment the locales. In my case, I will uncomment English United States UTF-8. Here it is. So I can comment this and I save the changes. And now I will run the command local-gen to generate the locales. So hit enter. So after this, we create the local conf file and set the language. So b etc local.conf, and we write the language we want. In my case, so we save. And now we can set the console keyboard layout in etc bconsole.conf. So b etc bconsole.conf and set the key map. In my case, US. So we save. After this, we finish with the localization config. Now we set the host name b etc host name. We create the file and define the name in it. I'm going to name it like this. So we save. And now we set the root password using this command. Here we type the password and hit enter. Now we retype. Last but not least, we need to install a bootloader. In this case, we're going to use group. First, we install the group package. Once it's done, we type group install target E386 PC the SDA. Here we use the disk, not the partition, and hit enter. Then we type the command to config group. Group make config and the output. Boot group group.conf. Sorry. We hit enter and we are done. Once group is installed and configured, we exit chroot environment using exit command. We mount the partitions with mount -r t, and instead of reboot, we are going to shut down the machine so we can remove the installation medium. Now start the machine. Now we can log in with the root account. This was the tutorial on how to configure the new system. I hope you like it. See you on the next video. Bye.